Have you ever wondered about the incredible ways our bodies can sometimes surprise us with unexpected features? Sometimes, what seems unusual is simply a variation of normal development. When it comes to extra nipples, often called supernumerary nipples or polythelia, they typically do not have any biological function beyond what a normal nipple might possess. For most individuals, these are simply harmless, non-functional anatomical variations. The appearance of extra nipples stems from our embryonic development. During the early stages of growth in the womb, all mammals, including humans, develop what is known as a milk line or mammary ridge. This ridge is essentially two parallel lines of thickened tissue running down the front of the body, from the armpit area all the way to the groin. Along this milk line, multiple mammary glands and nipples can potentially form. In most humans, only the pair on the chest fully develop into functional nipples. However, sometimes other parts of this embryonic milk line persist and develop into extra nipples. These extra nipples usually lack the underlying mammary gland tissue required to produce milk or have any reproductive role. Think of it as a biological remnant, a subtle echo from our evolutionary past when multiple nipples might have been more common or necessary. What does this mean for someone with an extra nipple? For the vast majority, these extra nipples are harmless. They can vary greatly in appearance, ranging from a tiny, pigmented spot that looks like a mole to a small bump with an areola, or even a more fully formed structure that resembles a typical nipple. Most commonly, they are found along the original milk line. Since they are generally non-functional, there is usually no medical reason to be concerned or to have them removed unless they cause irritation or cosmetic concern. Sometimes, individuals might not even realize they have one until it is pointed out or they examine their body more closely. These interesting variations are formally known as polythelia, a term derived from Greek meaning many nipples. While most are benign, very rarely, polythelia can be associated with certain underlying conditions, particularly involving the kidneys. This is why a medical professional might do a checkup if an extra nipple is discovered, especially if there are other symptoms. The areola, the darker skin around a nipple, might also form around a supernumerary nipple, making it look even more like a regular one. Understanding the term milk line helps us see how these natural occurrences are part of a broader mammalian developmental blueprint. So, while extra nipples, or polythelia, are a fascinating example of human biological diversity, they are typically harmless and without a specific biological function. Their existence offers a unique glimpse into our shared mammalian developmental history, reminding us how intricate and varied human anatomy can be. It is just another unique aspect of the human body, usually requiring no intervention but always a good talking point for curious minds.